How old was I? About 9.5. Got called by my dad nicking shitloads of stuff. Like, you know, he's didn't really know how to tell him that the one woman that he loved over my mother, her son and daughter were raping his idea at every opportunity. Your parents smacked him home from work and smacked me in the face. Well, this is like so real.
Didn't have a like pattern of keep in touch with my family.
Look, if you don't get this
ran away from my foster parents, living in Flamborough.
The social services came along, took me in the cafe to the rest of the world. Everything's fine and dandy.
Playing from like Flamborough and Bradford, it's like a bit of a trek.
And from then on, nothing will ever be the same again. I've been homeless,
I didn't.
Well, on the streets.
For the first few weeks of me being in Bradford,
about 3 or 4 weeks.
I didn't want to turn to anybody. You know, I didn't know who I could turn to at the time. You know, I'd only just like, you know, basically like living with foster parents. And next thing, you know, I'm on the streets, and you know, the shock of it. I thought, I'll just see how it goes for now. And thankfully, I ended up making a few friends in the first few weeks of me being in Bradford. I didn't want to from anybody. You know, I didn't know who I could turn to at the time. You know, I'd only just like, you know, basically like living with foster parents, and next thing, you know, I'm on the streets, and you know, the shock of it. I thought, I'll just see how it goes for now. And thankfully, I ended up making a few friends in Bradford. And
position of like being away from family, getting away with it. So no one there for me to look into the eyes of and just like, you know, speak. Fuck it. Just you know, plod along with my life and do my thing. Fuck everybody else and what they think about me. Don't really give a shit. And actually made a really good life for myself.
Television. Do we create the hell of the world through our fear of what the news shows us? We cower behind the other people's suffering, hoping an answer will emerge in the form of a saviour, Elohim Messiah, or worst of all, a mutual enemy, someone who we can blame for our leaders' failings. If you really wanted the world to change, switch off your fucking telly, get a life, go out there, explore the world. Get down on your knees, pray, it makes no difference. The buildings killed and died for will still go into dereliction whilst thousands of people wander the streets aimlessly looking for something. We're not united enough because we look for something more. We're greedy. Bollocks. We destroy the things we believed in, and we will continue to destroy them. Such is life when you feel the closest of your kin burn away to cancer, a landmine even, a beggar man looking to you for help. Torn apart his soul. Fuck, his limbs are gone now. Maybe you'll help him. Nailed 1,000,000 bonds to our land and Christ wept. Oh yes, Christ wept. Compared to us all, he suffered none. Instead, we fear each other more. They say they are innocent, but who really is? After eating so much candy, are we now the inheritance of Nazi gold? The pound, the dollar, the pence, so easily squandered on burgers, life, chintz. And in return, we get their pitiful souls begging us for mercy. We come to church and pray. We go to mosque and beg. Blinded world. Do you hit them in the face with a sledgehammer? Or do you cross your fingers and pray before wearily tapping them on the shoulder again? The distance a smile can reach spans 1,000,000 galaxies. Yet still we believe war is the only way to bring our planet together. Home. home. A place of sanctuary. Can we ever really remember when it was a place of peace? Those smiles that travelled the stars, lost to the words of, never mind, that's life. Home. A dustbin, a dank alleyway, a friend's sofa, and the face of all the world's suffering. We should be grateful for such privileges, yet even when we ask for such things, it spits us back. Christ, child. Every time we lie, Christ bleeds another suicide bomber onto the world. Where is home? History. And even now the future dictates that home is privileged to those who are the dominant of us, those with power, money and gold. Surrounded by the ancestral inheritance, we marvel at the craftsmanship which we never deny anywhere. Someone somewhere wishes for your life. Fragments of dreams fed back to you by a box. Of all the things to bring our species to its knees before the stars, the sun, the moon and everything, just one little box that makes all our dreams come true. I don't give a fuck about whether this makes a difference or not. I just care because you cared, and you still do. All these people, like, you know, side by side we walk every single day through towns, villages, deserts, forests, and upon the face of this world.